Rajratan Global via Q3 FY26 results, revenue or profit jumped sharply. Rajratan Global Wire's Q3 performance reflects a clear pickup in industrial demand and a better operating environment compared to the previous year. The quarter marks a phase where volume recovery and operating leverage are beginning to support profitability. For the quarter, the company reported revenue of around 302 crore rupees, showing healthy year-on-year growth. This improvement was driven by stronger demand from automotive, engineering, and infrastructure-linked customers across domestic and export markets. Profit growth outpaced revenue growth, which is an encouraging signal for investors. Net profit stood at approximately 20.7 crore rupees, more than doubling compared to the same quarter last year, supported by higher volumes and improved cost absorption. At the operating level, EBITDA expanded meaningfully during the quarter. Better utilization of manufacturing capacity and tighter control over overheads helped lift operating margins despite volatility in raw material prices. One key positive in this quarter is the quality of earnings. Growth was volume-led rather than purely price-driven, indicating a genuine improvement in demand conditions for high-carbon steel wire products. Rajratan's exposure to the automotive sector continues to be a core strength. As auto production and replacement demand improve, wire manufacturers benefit from steady order inflows and better plant utilization. Export performance also supported overall growth during the quarter. Stable demand from international customers helped diversify revenue streams and reduce dependence on any single end market. Cost management played a crucial role in protecting margins. While steel price fluctuations remain a structural risk, the company's ability to pass through costs and manage procurement helped limit margin pressure. From a balance sheet perspective, working capital management remained disciplined. Inventory and receivables were kept under control, supporting cash flows and reducing stress on funding requirements. Looking at the broader industrial metals sector, demand trends have shown gradual improvement. Infrastructure spending, auto recovery, and engineering activity have created a more favorable backdrop compared to the previous year. Compared to peers, Rajratan Global Wire benefits from its specialized product portfolio and long-standing relationships with OEM clients. This helps provide order visibility and pricing stability during demand upcycles. However, investors should remain cautious about key risks. Sharp movements in steel prices, any slowdown in auto production, or delays in infrastructure spending could impact near-term performance. Another factor to watch is margin sustainability. While operating leverage has helped in Q3, maintaining margins will depend on demand continuity and effective raw material cost pass-through. Looking ahead, near-term triggers include sustained volume growth, stability in input prices, and continued strength in automotive and infrastructure demand. Export order momentum will also remain an important indicator. In summary, Rajratan Global Wire's Q3 results highlight improving demand conditions, strong profit growth, and better operating efficiency. For investors tracking industrial and metals-linked stocks, the quarter reflects a cyclical recovery phase, while reinforcing the need to monitor raw material trends and end market demand closely. In summary, KPI Green Energy's Q3 results highlight improving execution quality, stronger profitability, and a more predictable earnings profile. For long-term investors, the quarter reinforces the company's position within India's renewable growth story.